Hi, third years. Thank you so much for completing the paragraph on music, which we looked at last lesson, and how music is an important part of increasing our fear in the Sandman. Today we're going to be looking at camera angles. Now, you might want to go back to your previous lesson entitled Camera Shots, where we identified each type of shot and it explained the definition for it. So that one, if you go and have a look back at that one, might be interesting for you today. Or certainly, if you remember, there was a video link to the types of shots in that OneNote page. So basically, what I want you to do is to look at the Sandman. It's the attack scene where he throws the sand in the poor boy's eyes. I think it's from 7:35 to 8:03. So if you look at that sequence, and the first thing I want you to do is in the table, I want you to, I've told you the order of the shots. I'd like you to define each shot. Tell me what's happening in that moment. And the last column is the most important because it asks you to explain, why was that shot chosen? How did that shot really add a sense of fear or help tell the story of the Sandman? So I've given you the first example. We looked at the low angle shot, so the camera's down here, and it looks at this horrible Sandman. And the idea is it's low down because it makes the Sandman look bigger to emphasize his power in the night time. That increases our fear because we realize that he's got a lot of control over the sleeping child who, in the next angle, high angle, is shown to be very small and powerless. So what I would like you to do is try to figure out, why was that shot chosen? How does it increase fear? What does it tell me about this situation? And it's that one that's the most important. So after you've gone through that, I would like you to write your paragraph for the essay. In it, I would like you to explain how camera angles are used to increase fear. And I want you to pick out of that sequence the top 3 camera angles that you think were most effective at telling the story of the Sandman and increasing a sense of fear. Okay, so obviously pick 3 different ones because you're showing off your knowledge of camera angles too. And that's what I'd like you to do today. So again, I'm really looking forward to read this, and this will form part of your essay for me. And I'm just dropping it in there. I am writing your reports next week, so this will be a fantastic piece of work that I could comment on. Okay, have a lovely day today, and yes, I hope to see you very soon. Bye, folks.